Hey everyone, I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to do the initial setup of your new Xbox Series X console. The Xbox Series X supports 4K gaming at up to 120 frames per second or 8K gaming at up to 60 frames per second, boasts 12 teraflops of processing power that helps it do everything at a blistering pace and look good doing it, offers enhanced audio features, and more. Whether this is your first time setting up a new Xbox or you're moving from your old Xbox model to the Series X, I'll walk you through the initial screens you'll need to go through before you can start gaming. Now let's walk through the initial setup process for your Xbox Series X. Step 1. Connect the power cable that came with your Xbox Series X console to the power port on the back of the console. Connect your console to a display using the HDMI port, and then press the power button to power on your console. Step 2. Turn on the Xbox Series X remote and then press the Bluetooth button on the front of the console and the Bluetooth button on the top edge of the remote. The devices will be paired when the Xbox button on your controller stops blinking. Step 3. You'll boot up to a screen that will prompt you to set up your console with the Xbox app. In this example, I'll press the menu button on the controller to skip that. Step 4. Choose the language you want your Xbox Series X to operate in on the next screen. If prompted, choose a variation of your chosen language on the following screen. Step 5. Choose what type of internet connection you want to use on the next screen. In this example, I'll choose a wireless network. Enter the password for your network on the next screen. A few screens will be displayed while your Xbox Series X connects to your selected network, and eventually you'll see a screen confirming your console is connected. Click Continue. Step 6. Choose where you live on the next screen. You'll be prompted to update your Xbox Series X. Step 7. Click Start Update to install the latest update on your device. A progress bar is displayed along the bottom of the screen showing the status of the update. After the console update is complete, you'll be prompted to reconnect your controller if it turned off during the update, and then update the controller. Step 8. Choose Update Controller to install the latest update for your Xbox Series X controller. Again, a progress bar is displayed along the bottom of the screen showing the status of the update installation. A screen is displayed letting you know when this installation is complete. Choose Next to move forward. Step 9. Click Next to move forward, either signing in with or creating a new Microsoft account. In this example, I'll sign in with the username and password for my existing Microsoft account. The next screen will give you an overview of how Microsoft uses your data to make your experience better. Step 10. Choose Next to advance to the next screen, where you can choose whether or not to send optional data to Microsoft. Another screen with information about data sharing is displayed. Choose Next on this screen as well. Step 11. The next screen will ask if you want to apply the system settings from your last Xbox. In this example, I'll choose Apply Settings. Step 12. On the next screen, choose how you want to sign in to your Xbox Series X. In this example, I'll choose Use Instant Sign In. You'll be prompted to sign up for Game Pass Ultimate if you're not already a member. In this example, I'll choose No Thanks. Step 13. If your display supports advanced features, you'll see a prompt to enable those. In this example, I'll choose Continue to do that. A preview of the advanced display features will be shown, and you can choose whether to keep the advanced settings or return to use the previous. A screen letting you know that your Xbox Series X is set up and ready to go is shown. Click Take Me Home. You'll be taken to your Xbox Series X home screen. Let me know what you think of the Xbox Series X in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my website to see more great tutorials like this one.